in this video, we're going to look at the spinners that are available in Whiteboard.chat. To get to the spinners, you're going to go up to the top to the palette or the manipulatives. You're going to click there. You're going to change this and go all the way down. It's going to be found at the bottom under widgets. And you'll notice that there are two spinners that you can choose from. So I'm going to do, let's go ahead and put this one on here. Now this is their one that they have that you can change and add and do whatever you want it to say, and I'll look at that in just a second. There's also one called student names. So let me take this one. I'm going to move it over to the side so you can see this one. Let me move it there so we can see. Now, this one, what's cool about the student name one is that it automatically puts all the names of the boards that you have for all your students. So it grabs the names of all your participants. So you don't have to add the names in. So when I hit this and I spin, you'll notice that this is my student board over here, and it is spinning over there. I only have one student in here at the moment, but watch what I can do. I can change this. So right now it has students can spin, but I could put a spinner on here and update that, and now you notice the spin button is gone from the student side. So now I can spin it. The students can watch who I'm selecting, but they're not able to spin. Okay, that's one thing you can do. You can also turn the sync on so that, I'm going to update this, so now that when the students spin, it's going to spin my board as well. You'll notice up here in the teacher, it tells me that student 1 spun the spinner. Watch the difference here. I'm going to turn that back off and update. So what's cool about this is now the students can spin these spinners, but it's not affecting anyone else's boards. So there's different things that you can do to change that. Okay, let's look at this one here. This one, it has a default and it has all these little fruits in here, but I can set this. Now to do this, you're going to put one, each one has to be on a line, so I'm going to push enter. Let's just make it a number spinner. I could also go in, as you can see here, I can add if I want the color of that number 1 to be blue with white text. Watch this. I'm going to update. You see how there's that blue one with white because I set that to be on there as well. So you can do lots of different things with these spinners. So there's a name spinner. So once again, let's go back to those spinners. You can get the one with the student names that is preloaded with all the participants that are in there. And then you could also get the other spinner where you can change this around and put whatever it is you want to put on that spinner. Lots of cool things that you can do with spinners.